We were gifted this cocktail smoker kit to give our honest feedback on it. This is the apple flavor. Chips, wood chips.
Okay. The slob. Okay, here we go.
If
Ready?
they were still, yeah, had, yes, yes, that.
Okay, go ahead and put the lid on it.
You ready, Freddie?
Yeah.
And
What's that? Your tequila?
Mm-hmm.
you taste
I
anything
smell
different?
that.
You can definitely smell it, but you can't necessarily.
Taste it.
Yep.
It's tequila
You
with
can taste the difference.
it's beverage. With
It's
apple
it's
chips.
smoother and it's not as burnt. It doesn't burn as much
Do you
going
taste
down.
any of the smokiness in it?
Yeah, I can
A
taste
little bit.
smokiness in it. I could taste smoky.
Yeah. Even though I hate tequila, I can still. I think that almost did make it
Smoother.
smoother. Yeah.
I do. I feel like it wasn't as sharp as it should
No.
be. Normally would be.
Yeah.
Tequila
So-
usually.